Hi, everyone. I am David Stroud with the Pikes Peak Group and a part of Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation. It's Friday, so I'm wearing my Red Friday shirt. Remember every defender, reminding us that freedom isn't free and reminding us to support those in our military and our first responders who provide so much in safety to us. I want to speak with listing agents about something that can be a betterment to your sellers as well as to your buyers. So I'm going to preface this with some numbers because the scenario that I'm running is based off of a hypothetical situation. And so we're going to look at a house that say is listed for $550,000, 550, and you have a client, a buyer that qualifies for an interest rate of 6%. So we're clear on that. 550, 6% interest rate. So considering that maybe you're not getting an offer on the home, but there are people out there who want to purchase your house, but they're just not offering. They're thinking maybe it's listed too high because of the market, and you're thinking with your sellers, maybe we should drop the price by, say, 3% or 5%. That's going to be a direct, let's say if you went 3%, that's going to be a direct net decrease or loss of $16,500 to the sellers. Now, it would also save the buyers about $80 to $85 per month. Not a massive change. I want to talk about this 2-1 buy down program, which we offer and which everyone's going to start to see a lot more of because of what's happening in the market. So instead of cutting the proceeds by $16,500, you can offer a 2-1 buy down, some seller financing. And so the first year, the buyer's mortgage is 2% less than what they qualified for. So instead of it being at 6% for the first year, they'll be at a 4% interest rate. And that 4% interest rate is going to save them approximately $611 per month, every month for the first year. That equals about $7,332. For the second year, their interest rate is going to drop by 1% than what they originally qualified for. So instead of 6%, 5%, and that's going to give them a savings of approximately $314 per month, or $3,768 for the year. That would equal to about $11,100 that the seller would pay to the buyers to help them to have this reduced monthly payment. Now, $11,000 is a lot less than $16,500. It's going to be a difference of $5,400 that the seller is going to get to pocket and keep. And the price of the home does not get reduced either. So the commissions for both buyer and seller agents are a little bit higher. And so this is why it's really awesome, why it's going to attract a ton of people. So instead of someone saving $80 to $85 per month by reducing the purchase price by 3%, they're going to be saving $611 per month for their first year, and they're going to save $314 per month for the second year. Now, what about year 3? So they go back to the original rate that they qualified for at 6%. And this is not predatory lending because we still qualified them based on what they qualified for originally, which is a 6% interest rate, which they would go back to. But with everything that I'm hearing, everyone I'm talking to, and all the financial analysts that I know, everyone is of the same opinion that we are moving toward a recession. And so the way that you combat a recession is that the Fed is going to most likely reduce interest rates in the coming years. And so as a result, these buyers can then refinance their home at that time and then move into a more manageable interest rate, a more manageable payment. So years ago, we used to do a 3-2-1 program when rates were in the 15% range. So we're not doing that. We're just doing a 2-1 right now. But this is also something that sometimes buyers would do, or they'd get a gift from a family member, maybe a parent or grandparent that would help them to combat the high interest rate and to make it a more manageable payment as they moved into home ownership. So this is a really great program. You're going to start hearing a lot about it. If you want, one way you could market this is just say we are offering seller financing. I'm licensed in Colorado, Alabama, and Georgia. If you have questions, please reach out. My team and I, we're also licensed in multiple other states. And if not, we can give you a referral to someone at Fairway who is that we have vetted. And so I always say riches are in the niches and fortunes are in the follow-up. My team and I can help you with both. So if you have questions or want some help, please reach out. My phone number is 719-355-7165. It's David Stroud. Thanks so much.